Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I'm still trying to save electricity because my bills are still quite high. So the way I'm trying to combat it is by cooking lots of food all at once, so I haven't got to keep putting the oven on, and I don't like having it on in the summer anyway. So whatever it is we make, we do tend to have with a big load of salad or salad and a baked potato at the same time. So this is what I've cooked today. These are chicken thigh pieces. I've just basically put them in a tray with some butter. So they can be sliced up to make a sandwich, or they can be added to other food if you want. I've done some baked potatoes, so I could cut up a piece of chicken, add some mayo to that, and put it into the baked potato as a filling and have it with a bit of salad. I cooked some more jerk chicken. This jerk chicken comes in 1.6 kilogram tubs in Asda. It's about £6.50. I was lucky to pick up a tub the other day for £4.71, so I was made up because it was a good like £1.50 cheaper. And I've made 2 lots of this jerk chicken. My son absolutely loves it, so he'll have that with salad and a baked potato. And I've did a little video showing you how to make this pasta bake and a bread and butter pudding using stale oil bread. So there you go, lots of lovely food, and that should last us for a good 2-3 days. And we'll have it with lashings of salad and the baked potatoes as well. So let me know what you do to save electricity because I just think even though the prices allegedly went down in April, I don't see much of a difference myself. So yeah, I'm just really fed up with it. So bye for now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you could be so kind, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll leave a link to the pasta bake and the bread and butter pudding for you to have a little go if you want to. And I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.